Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing the clean sources and making the first connections. Connect Power BI Desktop to your Excel, SQL, or API endpoints and authenticate so queries can run. Once connected, remove extraneous columns, set correct data types, and filter out blank rows. This keeps the model fast. Make sure relationships are planned. Pick primary keys and consistent naming. These first steps reduce rework later and let you move quickly into modeling and visualization. Once the data is shaped, focus on the semantic model and visuals. Create a star schema when you can, mark a date table, and set relationship directions and cardinality. Then write DAX measures for key metrics. Use sum and calculate, avoid excessive calculated columns because measures perform better. Next, build visuals. Add summary cards, a table for detail, and bar or line charts to show trends and wire slicers. These steps make your dashboard both accurate and interactive. Finish by polishing layout, accessibility, and deployment. Arrange visuals logically, add titles and tooltips, and set color contrast for clarity. Once done, publish to the Power BI service, configure scheduled refresh and workspace permissions, and enable row-level security if needed. If numbers look wrong, first validate source data and then check relationship filters, measure logic, and whether query folding was preserved. If performance lags, reduce columns. Rethink import versus direct query.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.